Hi guys, how are you? You are watching Worldwide Vehicles. It's a BAE Harrier II. It was the second most successful Western fighter during 1970s after the F-4 Phantom II, serving as an important part of air forces in Europe and Asia. Nowadays, this jet is also under service. Design of this jet is beautiful and you will not believe that it has very high speed missiles up to 50 miles distance range and runs with very high speed of 1.2 km per second. That's why it is the best. Its cost is only $35 million. There is only one Rolls-Royce turbofan engine in the aircraft. The jet consumes no more power as low as 24,750 pound-force of power and its speed is 661 km per hour. The jet can travel up to 3,256 km distance. In 1 liter fuel, the jet covers 0.8 km distance. The jet can go at very high altitude up to 50,000 feet. In 1 second, the jet climbs 74.75 meter distance. The jet cannot carry load more than 14,000 kg. There is only one general seat for pilot in this jet. It is 46.32 feet lengthy. The Harrier II is capable of deploying a wide range of weapon systems, including air-to-air Sparrow missiles, air-to-surface missiles, anti-ship and Sea Eagle missiles, 25 machine gun. In the air-to-surface role, the APG-65 radar provides high-resolution, long-range surface mapping and detection and tracking of land-based and sea-based targets. The radar has the capability to locate small fast patrol boats in high sea states and to detect large naval ships at long range. Okay friends, this was BAE Harrier II. We will meet